Welcome to the third episode of our Thai cooking channel. We hope you enjoy our first 2 episodes and decide to give our recipes a try. And for this episode, we will introduce you to the most popular dish in the history of Thai cuisine, green papaya salad, or what our locals call Som Tum. Let's head to our kitchen and begin by getting to know its ingredients. You will need 70 grams of Julienned green papaya, soaked in iced water for 10 to 15 minutes for crisp and firm texture. 10 grams of Julienned carrot, also soaked in iced water. 20 grams of Yardlong beans, cut into smaller pieces. 40 grams of cherry tomatoes, cut in half. 2 tablespoons of lime juice. 10 grams of red chili peppers. 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts. 5 grams of garlic cloves. 2 tablespoons of dried shrimps. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. These ingredients are perfect for 2 servings. Now, let us begin making our green papaya salad. We will use a mortar and a pestle to make our salad. First, put red chili peppers and garlic cloves in the mortar. Pound them together until they are crushed. Then, add the cut Yardlong beans. Pound them together again for about 5 to 6 seconds. Add palm sugar. Fish sauce. And lime juice. Mix them well together until the palm sugar is dissolved. Then, add tomatoes, roasted peanuts, and dried shrimps. Finally, we add the Julienned papaya mixed with carrot. Mix them well together by using a spoon to stir and flip, and use the pestle to pound on the side of the mortar. Try not to pound right in the middle of the mortar as you will crush the papaya. Voila! This is our green papaya salad that almost everyone in the country loves. Feel free to adjust the taste to your preference by adding lime juice, sugar, or fish sauce. We hope you enjoy watching this video on green papaya salad or Som Tum. Please subscribe to our channel for many more delicious Thai dishes to come. Thank you for watching our Thai cooking channel, Thai food made simple.